Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Well, if you've seen the channel where we purchased our eBay 2013 Ford Mustang, you see right here, this is one of the items that we purchased. This is from IKON. I also have the Shelby. This is the 2021 Shelby GT500 hood and front bumper that we're going to be putting on our 2013. Now they build a kit that makes the front end of your car look like the 2020-2021 Shelby. I thought it would be cool just to add a little bit of a different touch to the car rather than just make it like every other Mustang on the highway. So here's the hood. We have the insert here sitting in the inside. This is a steel hood, and these parts are for your 2010 all the way up to 14 model Mustang. Now these are at IKON Motorsports. This is the hood. I'm going to go ahead and get the hood sat on the car. Even though I don't have the fenders or nothing on, I want to go ahead and get the hood and sit it on and get it bolted up just to have it out of here, and I can sell the factory hood that's on this car. So let's go ahead and see how well our IKON Motorsports hood fits on this 2013 that the camera's sitting on. Here's our car. This is of course the factory hood. Now the hood insulator will fit on your IKON Motorsports hood. So first things first, these hood sprayers that are on the back of this hood, take those off, get those out of the way. I'm not going to worry about putting them on the other hood because I've got to scotch it up, scuff it up, paint it. So go ahead and move that and our 4 5/16 bolts. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is using this snap-on little plier clip remover, and I'm going to remove all these little clips on this hood insulator and get it off and out of the way so I can access those hoses there in the back. These two bolts are 10mm on this car. Take out the top one first on both sides, and then when you start taking out the bottom one, the hood can lean forward, and you can go ahead and get the hood off. These hoods are not heavy. There goes the shock. So just walk around. And voila, hood is off. Okay, one thing that I've noticed is different with the IKON hood, it uses studs with nuts instead of bolts. So I'm gonna have to go find some nuts for the hood. Okay, now I know the fenders aren't gonna line up, but because they're all out of whack, but we'll let it down, and voila, you have a beautiful new style Shelby looking hood on your Coyote, 6-cylinder, whatever the crap your Mustang is. So anyway, I just want to go ahead and do this video just to show you guys IKON Motorsports 2020-2021 Shelby GT500. These are functional if you want them to be. I put the inside panel in here, which I mean they're functional anyway. They have air that comes up through them, but if you want them to be more functional and get more heat out of the car, say your supercharged turbo, you can take that lower section out and leave your louvers. So that's going to be it, guys. I just want to show a video quick to IKON Motorsports, their hood. When we get the front end lined up a little better with the new fenders, we're going to get that Shelby GT500 front fascia on the car, get it lined up, and then we're going to start getting everything lined up on the car so we can start putting stuff in paint. But until next time, hit the subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you in the next video.